CMF Phone 1 by nothing is one of the most hype phone nowadays. If you are planning to buy this phone, so please watch this video till end because I am going to tell some of the biggest problems in this phone. The phone is launched around a budget of 16k, but it will cost you around 21 to 22k after buying chargers and different accessories. The phone is only IPX2 rated, which is no dust resistant and even splash resistant, and it has got an average camera with secondary sensor of 2 megapixel depth, which is just like an useless sensor, and it has got no ultra wide and no OIS, which is easily available in this segment. It has got no NFC also. It has got only mono speaker but no stereo speaker, also missing 3.5mm jack, and it has got only 33 watt fast charging and no charger in the box. And it is little confused with its processor because it's named as MediaTek Dimensity 7300, but it is less power than Dimensity 7200. So why it's named as 7300, I don't know. And guys, if you have any other problems in this phone, you can comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you guys.